Here we've got iPhone 13 mini, and let me show you how to check time spent on your device, how to enter the total screen time. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select screen time, here it is, and right in front of you you've got the statistics. So here you've got time spent on this phone today and yesterday and any other day that you've been using this phone. If you'd like to enter the whole activity, just click on see all activity, and here you'll have some more general, more detailed stats. So as you can see, you've got games, utilities, entertainment, and a bit lower each app and time of usage. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.